Hey, this is Eduardo with Helpful, and today we're going to be learning how to choose an appealing company name. Let's imagine for a moment that we're starting a company that's going to sell accessories for mobile devices and computers, but we're not quite sure which name to go with. The first thing we're going to do is create a general feedback survey, which can be done from scratch or exploring one of Helpful's many templates. In this case, we'll go to the business category and choose company or brand name. Here, as you can see, we have some sort of a draft with a question that we can fill out with our own words. But in this case, I am going to just go with a totally new question that's going to say, our company sells computer and mobile phone accessories such as charging cables, headphones, and more. Which of the following brand names do you like best? And all we have to do now is input our three options. One is tech to you. The other is going to be cheap tech supplies. Then we have phone charging cables and more. And our fourth and last option is cheap easy tech. So now that we have our survey created, all we have to do is select our audience. Here we can do general or specific demographics and select the amount of test takers we want. Then we can continue and launch our survey. For the sake of the video, I prepared kind of a sped up demo for this, just so you can see how it looks like after we launch. So first we get this screen, and in a few seconds you'll see some responses coming in. This is how it looks, and it usually just takes a few minutes. This is a super quick tool. It's cheaper than anything out there, and I definitely recommend it because it's very valuable to have quantitative and qualitative data on all of your design decisions. So here you can see how people are already voting for the different options, and they're also writing comments on these options, which is very valuable, as I mentioned, because with some qualitative data we can get the reason behind everyone's choice. So now that this will be complete, all we have to do is explore our results. We can see that 57% of test takers voted for option number 1, which is tech to you. Let's see what they are saying. So Ren here voted for option number 1 and says, it is the most iconic brand name and seems more modern. Ben here voted for option number 1 as well and says, I think this name has a great name to it, and the words in the name let you know that you can be mobile and it will be easily accessible. That's very interesting feedback. So now that we have this and it's very valuable, we're ready to make the decision, already knowing which name has been most appealing to our test takers. This is Eduardo with Helpful. Thank you very much. See you in the next time.